But I really think yung similarities nila naglalay dito. Yan, sa ganyan, yung rim runs, speed, aggression, fast break and points off turnovers.
Pagsanhan with a triple from the corner. And Harvey almost getting a block. Iba talaga pag inspired. Pinakita lang sa TV yung girlfriend nitong si Harvey. And Harvey's able to score back-to-back baskets, including a triple right here. Bam!
Sabi ni Pagsanhan sa akin, hindi pala maganda yung 3-point percentage na. If you're going to take outside shots like that, better take it when naka-establish na yung big men mo sa rebounding areas.
Valencia sideboards that shot. Generals are running. Pagsanhan. He's gonna take off. Harvey Pagsanhan. You have to have impeccable timing. Umusog yung bantay. And it's with EAC again. Balik ang bola kay Ochavo. Bounce pass. Pagsanhan! Power move!
Pagsanhan!
Ako hininga sa making sure to make that basket to end the drought of Arellano.
Pagsanhan mula sa kanto. Harvey Pagsanhan for 3.
Binura naman agad ni Pagsanhan.
Na makuha yun naman.
From the get-go, they've been living and dying with the 3-point shots. Regardless if they're not making most of it, they're still going to take them.
So this is a 4-0 start for EAC.